If you don't understand SEO but still want your site to shine, then you've come to the right place. Let's dive into outbound links. Outbound links are the hidden gems of SEO. When you link to high-quality, authoritative sites, you tell search engines that your content is trustworthy. Imagine your site giving a high five to the big names in your industry. Cool, right? But wait, there's more. Outbound links can also add valuable context and depth to your content. It's like adding extra seasoning to a dish. It just makes everything better. Here's a pro tip. Make sure your outbound links are relevant to your content. Linking to unrelated sites can confuse your readers and hurt your SEO efforts. Keep it meaningful and on topic, and don't overdo it. Too many outbound links can be distracting. Aim for a few well-placed, high-quality links instead of a link fest. Need help figuring it all out? Authority Solutions offers top-notch SEO services to get your outbound linking strategy on point. Let us handle the heavy lifting while you watch your site climb the rankings. Before you go, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications. Stay tuned for more SEO tips and tricks that'll take your site to the next level. Thanks for watching.